Hey guys, All in Crypto here and welcome back for another YouTube video. So in this video guys, I am going to share with you the secret to making money with cryptocurrencies. I hope you're excited for this video because there is a secret that most people don't know about that will allow you to make money with cryptocurrencies. A lot of money. Now, before I go on to explain to you guys what this secret is, I have to first off start by sort of saying that I'm not a financial advisor. This is my own opinion. However, it has worked for me, it has worked for plenty of other people, and it is a secret that is not only used in the crypto market, it's also used in the traditional markets, the stock market. It is a well-known secret used by Warren Buffett himself. So guys, let's get on with this video. But let's first start off by taking a look at the overall crypto market and just how it's doing. Now, Bitcoin broke its all-time high. So well done, everybody. That's fantastic news. It now means that essentially you could have bought Bitcoin at any point throughout its lifetime and you would be in the profit. Certainly if you compare that to a currency like, well, any currency, you would be massively up. So let's get back and take a look at kind of where everything is at the moment. Bitcoin up 8% in 7 days. Ethereum, things like XRP are down 6%, but they had a huge run. If you guys haven't checked out my last video on my XRP price prediction, I suggest you go ahead and do it. Coins like Tether, of course, they're not going to move. It's supposed to be a stable coin. Or they're not going to move much, I should say. Litecoin up 13%. Litecoin seems to... It's been one of the most disappointing coins throughout this bear market, but it seems to have sort of regained its sort of bullish momentum. And I can reiterate again, we are in a bull market now, guys. There is no turning back until we essentially turn back. But the secret that I'm about to reveal to you guys in this video is going to help you guys to understand sort of when I say turning back, the crypto market's in a very, very early stage. I don't want to go off on a tangent here. I really am eager for you guys to find out what this secret is, for me to explain it to you, and hopefully you guys can put it to use. Like I say, don't take anything I say as financial advice. It's just my opinion. However, I know my opinion's worked. It's worked for millions and millions of people out there. Not only is it my opinion, it's the opinion of a hell of a lot of great sort of traders and investors. By the way, guys, I'm not a trader. I'm an investor. I invest on the fundamentals too. I do take some trades, but it's very few and far between, and usually they're a sure bet. Now, the secret that I want to reveal to you guys about making money in the crypto market and with cryptocurrencies is this. So I hope you're ready. I hope you've got your notepad out and you're ready to take notes. The secret to making money in cryptocurrencies is to buy a cryptocurrency of your choice. Usually I recommend don't go in sort of outside the top 5, top 10. There's some coins in the top 10. I mean, there's certain coins here, and I'm not throwing shade on anybody. I don't have any Bitcoin Cash. Polkadot, I actually got out of my position of Polkadot. Although it's an interesting project, I'm not going to throw too much shade on Polkadot. But the top 10's pretty solid. Stellar is a decent coin. Bitcoin SV, which is Craig Wright's coin. I don't touch that because I'm not a fan of Craig Wright. I'm not going to slander him on this at all. He is his own man. He has his own opinions. I just don't happen to agree with them, and that's fine. That's what makes the world a great place. People have different opinions on stuff. But the secret to making money in cryptocurrencies, let me not go off on a tangent here because I know you're all dying to find out what it is to buy a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and to hold them. Do not trade. Don't trade the crypto market. If you trade the crypto market, you will get wrecked. 90% of traders fail to make money. I just pulled this. You could find this on anywhere. Type in the percentage of traders that actually make money, and it will always come back the same. 90% of traders do not make money. So why the hell are you going to try and trade the crypto market? You have a 1 in 10 chance of making money in the crypto market if you decide to trade it. Those aren't odds that I want to take, yeah? All the money I've made from crypto has come from buying a cryptocurrency of my choice, usually something that I've done a hell of a lot of research into. I like the project, I like the people on board with it, I like the use case, even though I don't think we're necessarily trading on the sort of use case of these currencies yet, because of how early we are in the market. And I stick with it and hold it. I don't try and flip it. I don't try and convert it into another coin so I can buy more Bitcoin. Yes, there are people out there that make money, but guys, 90% of people do not make money doing this. That's in the traditional markets. The crypto market is like the traditional markets on steroids at the moment, especially with its volatility and its fluctuations and swings in price. The reason for that is because it's still a very small market in terms of market cap. Most of my videos I bang on about the market cap and just how small it is, and how I believe the room that we have to grow in the crypto market is phenomenal. So the secret, let me reiterate this again, is to buy cryptocurrencies and hold them. And let me make a note on that. Not buy junk coins. Do not buy SHIT coins, because all that's going to happen is you're going to be filled with disappointment when the rest of the market moves up and your coin doesn't. Don't buy crappy little coins that you think might make you a 100x or in 3 days or something like that. Stick with the coins that we have in front of us. The reason I am still accumulating Bitcoin and it's broken its all-time high is because I have more faith in Bitcoin to outperform fiat currencies such as the US dollar and the Great British Pound. I think Bitcoin is going to outperform them, and I want to show you guys why I believe that. So here I have for you the Bitcoin logarithmic chart. That is what it looks like, people. You could have bought Bitcoin essentially at any point and you'd have made money. Or you could have just kept your money in the bank, where it would have lost. Officially, the statistics that they give you in the mainstream statistics that the banks will give you is inflation is round about anywhere up to 3%. Some are less, 2%, 1.5% 1 year if they have a good year. Your money's getting devalued by that yearly. So essentially, the money you have in the bank, let's say you have £1,000, the next year is not going to get you £1,000 worth of buying power. It's going to get you less. And that happens year and year and year. And that's if you take their figures as correct. If you look into something called Reaganomics, which sort of breaks down the real-ish inflation price, they've got inflation at around about 10% a year. So you're losing £100 on your £1,000 just for having your money sat in the bank. Whereas if you look at the crypto market, it doesn't work like that. Not only is it holding its value, but even if you had bought right at the top here, today, you would still be either breaking even or you'd be in the profit. And that's if you were the unlucky sod that bought right at the top. You have all of this growth. The secret to making money in cryptocurrencies in an emerging market like this is to buy your asset, being Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. I even think XRP is more of a risky and more of a gamble, but I don't think it's a bad gamble. I hold XRP. I love XRP. I have held XRP all throughout the bear market, and it's been painful. So this little break that we had was amazing for me to see. So guys, that is the secret. Buy your cryptos and hold them. And if you want to make money in cryptos, here's how I started out, and here's how I recommend people start out. You set a limit you can afford that you may, at the moment, brilliant excuse, because a lot of pubs aren't open and places where you would spend, your money. Let's say it's £100 that you save a month. You pop that into your crypto wallet of choosing. By the way, guys, if you guys want me to show you how to buy cryptocurrencies, please let me know in the comments or reach out to me. That's what I want the comment section to be for. I am here to try and help you guys. I care about people not losing their money and getting it taken from them by the horrible, nasty people that have been manipulating the system of things for years and years and years. I genuinely care and don't want you guys to lose money. And the reason I say that is because when I first got into the cryptocurrency market, I lost money. And the reason I lost money was because I was listening to people who had no bloody idea what they were doing. They had listened to someone else that had said something and so on and so forth. And it was a big, long chain of sheep. And I was at the end of it. So since then, I've been incredibly successful in managing my portfolio and making my portfolio profitable. And I want to share that with you guys and help you guys out as much as I can and help you not have your money took away from you. Now, let me just say that there are traders out there that make money. But even the traders out there that make money get a hell of a lot of their decisions wrong. Probably more of their trades wrong than they do right. But what saves their ass is they have stop losses. They're following a strategy and a system of doing it. You can trade, but I'm going to say this, you're likely to lose money. I can't tell you how many people I've met that thought they were smart enough to sell at a price and get in at a lower price. Usually what happens is they end up buying their Bitcoin back at an inflated price and have less money. They've lost money on thinking they were smart. Whereas if they just held the bloody thing, they would be up right now. And if you look at this, the Bitcoin chart that I have in front of you, this is the price action of Bitcoin. You really couldn't have lost money at any point, even if you had been the unlucky side. And that's what I'm trying to say. If you had been accumulating on a monthly basis or a weekly, whatever you can afford, however you want to do it, it's up to you guys. You'd have been catching all of these little drops and dips and you'd be massively up. The percentages you'd be up, I should work it out for you, and maybe in the next couple of videos, I'm going to keep videos coming. This is probably going to come out on maybe Monday around about 3 o'clock. I'm going to try and introduce and create as many videos for you guys as I possibly can. I want to help you guys out. I want to make sure you make money, and like I say, look at the logarithmic chart of Bitcoin. The trend is the friend until the end, sorry. It is just going up. Follow this. This is the pattern of the price of Bitcoin, the price movement of Bitcoin. It's going up. It's not going down. It's going up. Yes, there are going to be dips. It's going to suck for the first time you buy here and you end up here. But guess what? You'll be accumulating around about here. So when you go up here and then you'll go down, up, down, up, down, you are going to make money by buying cryptocurrencies and holding them. Of course, I can't guarantee that for you. But I personally am still buying Bitcoin, even though we broke the all-time highs, because I believe where it's going. I want to bring up the Amazon chart for you here, guys, and show you what happened in the dot-com boom. 2017, I believe, was the equivalent of the dot-com boom, but in cryptocurrencies. It's like the volcano that erupted and then set the ground where things grew. The Amazon chart is very, very similar to the Bitcoin chart. Oh goodness, here we go. It's very, very, these ads, I need to actually, I'm not using my trading view for the purpose of these videos just because I don't want my sort of stuff coming up on it, and so I'm sort of using it on a different browser. Anyway, that's a side note. But the Amazon chart is very, this is the Amazon chart here, this is the Amazon stock chart. We went from $1.50 all the way up to the peak of $1.60 and then back down to I think $6 or $7, $5, no, $6 or $7, let's say. Yeah, nobody would have touched it here. Whereas if you had accumulated, and even if you had accumulated at those highs, look what happens, guys. So remember the all-time high was $1.06. You could have kept buying, kept putting a monthly sum in. If it's something you believe in and you can see value in, you should invest in it, you know, and until it's nonsensical to do so. There is going to come a time where I'm going to stop putting money into cryptocurrencies, but I can't see it being anytime soon. So even if you had bought the all-time high in the bull run, I shouldn't really call it a bull run, in the dot-com boom at $1.06, you could have cashed out at the end at $3,162. Amazing, guys. It just went straight up. You know, again, look at the logarithmic scale. Can we see the similarities here, guys? I hope we can, because that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. The secret, again, is to buy on a regular basis, to dollar cost average into something where you see potential and you see growth, and to hold that until you feel you want to cash out, or until you have a reason to wanting to cash out, like the market's turn or something like that. Then I guess you are sort of trading, but you're certainly not short-term trading. Remember, guys, 90% of traders don't make money. If you think you're smart enough to be that 10%, go ahead. But if you actually are or not, I bet the other 90% thought they were smart enough. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Please leave me some comments explaining what you want to see next, whether you want me to show you how to buy cryptos, whether you want to know what cryptos I'm buying. I'm going to do a video on what cryptos I buy in my portfolio. I'm also considering doing a £500 crypto challenge. I live in the UK, so I'm going to do it in pounds. I could maybe do it in dollars. Let me know in the comments. And I'm basically going to show you guys how to buy crypto and what that £500 does. If you're scared to put the money in yourself, just watch me do it. I'm willing to do it for you. And I think $500 or pounds is a reasonable amount that people could save up, or a couple could save up, or a family. And the reason for me making this channel, again, let me just is because when I first got into crypto, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I was listening to idiots and I lost money. Yeah, I got burned, which is exactly what the smart people try and get you guys to do, essentially. I'm not calling you not smart, but the people that know about this stuff and have been around, even back in the Amazon when they were the dot-com boom, when they did the same thing they're doing with cryptocurrencies now. You know, these people know what they're doing. There's a hell of a lot of manipulation involved. I'm here to try and help people make money and hopefully help you guys not lose money. But anyway, guys, I've waffled on enough. I don't want to waste too much of your time. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.